So it's time to make my friend her makeup flower bouquet. I bought literally 4 bouquets of flowers because I wanted to put it together myself. And then I bought a bunch of makeup from Sephora, and I'm honestly so disappointed that these are so tiny. I bought her this too. Because I promise you these are not samples. These are mini sizes that I bought from Sephora, and this whole thing, just these, literally what? 2, 4, 5 products cost me literally almost $70, which is insane. But I'll show you guys anyways. So I got her this Fenty Beauty blotting powder. This was about like 20 something dollars for this tiny little thing. Rare Beauty blush. Oh my god, I can't talk. Rare Beauty blush. And this is a mini size, you guys. This looks more like a sample size, but it was a mini size, and it was probably around $15, I want to say. This one was obviously cheap because, you know, I love The Ordinary. But The Ordinary Niacinamide Serum, because I know that we've been talking about, she's been wanting to kind of get rid of some hyperpigmentation, and I use this too, like on myself, and I freaking love it. So this was around, I think like $6 or $7. I bought her this little eyeshadow palette, which is literally the biggest item almost in the haul. I think this was around $10 to $15, $20, something like that. And then I bought her this limited edition scent for this hand sanitizer, and it's in the scent Salted Caramel. And I think this was around $10 to $15 as well. Separately, I bought her this lip oil tint that I've been raving about in the shade Apple Peony. Thought she might like to try it. I've literally been putting everyone onto this just because I like them so much. And so this is around $13. Clinique Cleansing Balm. I actually do like the brand Clinique as well, so I thought maybe she would like this. I didn't like that it didn't come with a container, but it is what it is. Around $15 too, I believe. And I bought her this little positive sheep. Look how cute it is. It's like this knit positive sheep thingy, and it says, "Positive sheep, I may be tiny sheep, but I believe in you. Go do your thing." So we're gonna put it together, and of course, obviously the vase that I've already showed, but this is from Daiso. I think this vase was $7, something around that. I bought these bamboo sticks from Amazon, and then I'm gonna actually use tape to tape the products to the bamboo stick. Hopefully it stays. I do have super glue, or is it called super glue? It's like that glue gun. I have a glue gun, but I don't really want to glue the products because maybe she wants to keep the packaging, you know, you never know. So I'm gonna try to tape it first, and I'm gonna show you guys a different view so you can kind of see what I'm doing, and then I don't know if I'm gonna talk through it, if I'm just gonna put music over it or do a voiceover, we'll see. But I'm gonna show you guys a different view. This is the bouquet so far. It's jam-packed in there. I don't know how I'm going to fit all the makeup products in here. I seriously thought I wouldn't need a huge vase, but it kind of looks like I might. But maybe I'll just try to, you know, try to go in there and put the products. I know the baby's breath is a little bit overwhelming. Like maybe there's too much. Like maybe there's too much baby's breath. I don't know. It's not the final product yet, but it's what we're looking like for now. Another thing I'm noticing is that the bamboo sticks I got are way too short. Like, I don't know. I mean, I guess I could kind of stick it in there like that, but I feel like it would fall out. Maybe we test one and then we just take it from there and see. So I guess, watch me tape all this and then it doesn't work. I've never made a makeup flower bouquet before, so this is definitely a first. So I'm just gonna tape that stick. Will that hold? I feel like let's do 2 pieces of tape to be safe. Another. Like if I kind of just stick it in there like this, I don't know. Hopefully, it looks like it's decent. I think we're just gonna put it on the outside, not the inside, because they're too short. So we're just gonna keep going with that. is the finished flower bouquet. It is literally humongous. I literally had to fucking stuff that shit in there. But I do wish I would have had a bigger vase, but this is what we're working with, so I hope the flowers are okay. I tried my best not to smush most of the flowers, but it looks like this, and then I tied a cute little white bow right here. And I'm not the greatest at tying bows, but I think it looks so cute. Look at it. I'm like scared to move it, honestly. And then look how big this fucking bouquet is. Crazy, right? It's been a while since I've literally put a bouquet together. I used to do it all the time for farmers market. So we used to do farmers market back in the day, and we had everything. We had like vegetables. Well, not everything. We didn't have meat or anything like that, but we had pretty much any vegetable you can think of. And we had raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, peaches, apples, etc. And then we also had flowers, and we grew a lot of different types of flowers. My point is, we had a lot of flowers, and then my sister and I would have to go pick them, and then we would have to put bouquets together. My sister's better at putting flower bouquets together, but it's been a minute since I've put a flower bouquet together, so this is the best I could do. And I do think I did a great job, if I'm being honest with you. I did want to put more purple. Like, my original theme was I wanted it to be like purple and pink roses, but then I felt like roses are kind of, not that I don't love roses, I do love roses, but I feel like roses are just overused, so I wanted to opt for like lilies and other different types of flowers. But originally I did want like a purple pink theme, but one, the roses that they did have, they're kind of basic, and then also the purple flowers that they did have kind of didn't look good, like they were all dead and old looking, so these were the best flowers I could find. But essentially this is my bouquet, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you think my friend will like it?